Hi, I'm Phil Monkhouse, Realtor in Houston. Today I'm going over the Richmond, Texas first quarter market update. I'm going to do all the other major areas in Fort Bend County as well, plus the Pearland area. Yeah, I'll just start with resale homes in Richmond here. Homes sold. You can see that it dropped from the first quarter of 2022 and the first quarter of 2023. The big drop. That's to be expected, I would say, because the interest rate changes. Market activity definitely slowed down because of that. As you can see here, I'm comparing it year over year, and then just the two quarters back to back, just for comparison purposes. But year over year, big drop in volume to be expected, I would say. Most people expect that. But as for prices, they are still increasing. That's a pretty healthy jump year over year and even quarter over quarter. And then if we look at the price per square foot, just to compare that to same thing, price per square foot, pretty healthy increase year over year and even quarter over quarter. So yeah, prices not going down, less volume, but prices are not going down. I'll just tell it now. I was going to say it at the end, but the months of inventory, it's only 1.7. That's a really hot seller's market. So if you're trying to sell your home, still a great time to sell. 6 months is considered a balanced market. And 1.7 is a very hot seller's market still. Just because even though interest rates have went up, there's just no inventory, so it's going to keep prices high until more people decide to move, but no one wants to give up those 3% or less interest rates that they got when they refinanced or bought. So anyway, moving on to new homes. Again, you can kind of see this. The fourth quarter of 2022 is the highest. Next month, we're going to see the second quarter of 2022. Not next month, when I do this next quarter. So I bet the second quarter and the third quarter were higher than this number, but as could be expected, new home closings started to drop because these people here might have signed a contract a year ago. It was taking a year to build a house last year with a lot of builders just with the delay on materials. So I bet the second quarter and the third quarter of 2022 had even more closings, but it's leveling off, as you can see. Same thing, interest rates. But the prices still going up year over year. That's a big jump. So no pullback on prices. And then, average price per square foot. It looks like we did have a pullback in price per square foot. And some of the other areas that I've been checking, I've noticed this too. So that's interesting. We'll see how it plays out next quarter. I do know that the builders are negotiating a bit more on incentives and stuff like that. The market's just not the same that it was. That's good to see. That's still a pretty high number compared to what it was a couple years ago, but we'll keep an eye on that. Still a very healthy seller's market if you're trying to sell. Unfortunately, as a buyer, it's still, prices are not coming down. Even with the high interest rates, prices are staying high. That's it from Richmond. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll do this again next quarter so we can see how things are progressing. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.